Welcome to Destination Renewable Energy, or DRE, a next-generation application offering solar and wind energy assessments and forecasts. Powered by the cutting-edge DestinE ecosystem, DRE transforms Earth observation data and digital twin technology into actionable intelligence for energy innovators, urban planners, and researchers. Meet Alex, a solar developer focused on evaluating new project sites, securing investor confidence, and streamlining regulatory approval.
I input key system parameters and request a 12-month assessment to evaluate site viability. Within a few seconds, I have access to historical data, summarized in a concrete way, that can help me make decisions about where we should and where we shouldn't build our next solar park.
From prospecting to presentation, DRE empowers developers like Alex with credible, science-based insight. Meet Sophia, an energy trader who makes critical daily decisions about buying, selling, and hedging energy based on market insights and accurate forecasts.
I input specific market parameters to generate precise forecasts, helping me make timely trading decisions. In just moments, I have detailed, science-backed forecasts to guide my strategy. I found a CSV containing historical data of power production. Now I can just upload it, and an ML model will be trained and provide me with precise solar power production forecasts, helping me make timely trading decisions once again.
From market insight to actionable strategy, DRE empowers energy traders like Sophia with precise, dependable information for strategic advantage. Meet Carlos, a wind project developer focused on identifying viable sites, estimating production potential, and backing proposals with solid data.
I enter the location, select the hub height, and either upload or choose a power curve. Within moments, I get the site's wind climatology, Weibull distributions, wind roses, time series statistics, alongside key wind power characteristics, all in one place. With just a few clicks, I have everything I need to evaluate the wind speed and energy resource and confidently move the project to the next stage.
From field scouting to final pitch, DRE empowers professionals like Carlos with science-based insights to shape the future of clean energy. Meet Layla, an energy trader navigating the dynamic energy market, where precision forecasting helps optimize bids, manage risk, and seize opportunities.
I enter operational parameters relevant to my wind plant installation included in my portfolio, so I can forecast output fluctuations before they hit the grid.
Within seconds, I get detailed, science-based forecasts tailored to my site, enabling me to act fast and smart in the market.
From short-term forecast to confident trading decisions, DRE equips professionals like Layla with the data-driven insight needed to lead in today's energy market. Destination Renewable Energy is your partner in achieving sustainability goals and shaping a resilient, clean energy future. Powered by the innovation of DestinE, we enable informed, confident, and transformative decisions today for a thriving planet tomorrow. Join us. Let's build the sustainable future we all deserve. Destination Renewable Energy, empowering smarter decisions for a sustainable future, powered by DestinE.